Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you a simple quick video on how to revive your curls, to eliminate this bushiness and define the curls to look to something like this. As you can see, the curls here are more defined. And yeah, without wasting any of your time, let's begin. And yes, we're going to start by washing the hair to remove any dirt. And yeah, how you wash your hair, it's the same way as you wash your straight hair. You just put your shampoo and then wash your hair in one direction. You will see just now, you just finger detangle your hair going in one direction. To those who are wondering how they will maintain curly hair, this is what you do, guys. Curly hair maintenance is very simple. If you're not doing this like once a month or every second week, it depends on how many times you wear the hair, you just spray water daily. And yeah, you don't need to apply oil daily, you just need to apply water daily to make your curls look defined. Water only works perfectly fine. So after washing your hair, you just towel dry. You will rinse off the shampoo and then towel dry your hair. After towel drying, you can apply the mask, any mask of your choice. I used this one. You can condition, but I skipped conditioning part because I knew I was gonna leave my hair for longer on this deep conditioning, and I only left it for a couple of hours. I didn't do that overnight thingy. And the trick is how you apply it. You must apply it this direction, like this, guys. I don't know how to explain this, but you can apply it like this. Don't make your hair messy, because the way you handle your hair while you're washing also play a role. So yeah, don't make your hair messy. Like, handle it like this way. You understand what I'm saying? So after a couple of hours or overnight, you rinse off the mask. Don't rinse it all. Just rinse gently, rinse. Don't rinse it all, because curls love conditioner as well. So this part, I had already oiled my hair and applied a mousse. I honestly nearly forgot to show this part. So on this part, I'm just showing you how to use a wigs, got to be wigs, to flatten up your closure, even on frontals. I did demonstrate and explain well in my previous vlog, but this is what you do. This works really nice for your closures, guys. You must get a hot comb. If you need a hot comb, it's currently on sale on my hair page for $380. If you see this in 2025, I don't know, it won't be on sale. Don't come in 2025, please. But for now, it's on sale. And what you do with your curls, after you air dry them, you apply your oil. After applying your oil, you will apply your mousse. And this is how you apply the mousse. Also, you must apply it in a particular way. Don't just be rough on your hair. Be gentle. It will define your curls nicely. And yeah, do this when the hair has air dried. Yeah, but here it was not completely air dried, but it was air dried. So yeah, the mousse I recommend is the ORS one. This one is a bit liquid like. The ORS is more thicker than this one, but it also works. However, this one is more cheaper, and then ORS, it's like double the price of this one. So this is how you apply the mousse, and that's it, guys. Literally, this is it. During the week, like I mentioned, just apply water. When you buy curls with me, I do give you free spray bottle, so just apply water, and yeah, you'll be fine. Thanks for watching. I hope you get to revive your curls and wear them nicely. Thank you. Please subscribe. See you in my next upload.